Hi, I am Teresa Langoni, and my lesson topic is Aboriginal Art, Dreamtime Stories. My lesson is geared toward an 8th grade art class. My learning objectives for this lesson are to help my students to develop their own ideas and images through the exploration and creation of Aboriginal art. This lesson is an introduction to the artwork of the Indigenous people of Australia. In the VTS style, I will begin by challenging the students with the questions. What do you think is going on in this painting? What do you see that makes you say that? What do you think the artist is trying to convey? Who do you think made this painting? I will paraphrase their responses and ask them to point at what they are observing. I will also make connections between the students' different observations. I will show a PowerPoint where we will explore through picture and text. Who are Aborigines? What is Aboriginal art? The meaning behind Dreamtime stories? And what is dot painting? And examine some examples using the technique. Then we will examine, compare, and contrast the work of Stephen Hogarth and J.K. Gauguin, both Aboriginal artists, by asking questions such as, how are these paintings similar and how are they different? As the Aboriginals say, everyone is an artist. Next, using the original artworks for inspiration, they will create their own Dreamtime story following my instructions. They must draw and cut out an animal of their choice and incorporate at least one symbol into their original artwork. They will finish by adding a dip and dot pattern with lines to the background and/or border of the picture. Aboriginal Dreamtime art is the pictorial story of creation, and this resonates in the words of Elliot Eisner. The arts make vivid the fact that words do not, in their literal form or number, exhaust what we can know. The limits of our language do not define the limits of our cognition.